Well, because of the corona times, everybody is required to wear a mask. So welcome to Fairy TV. Do you know where I am? This place is actually very familiar for you guys. We are in Linny's garden. We're going to give her a surprise. She has been pruning her trees and vegetables, and we're just going to check out, keeping our social distancing. We all been quarantining for the past, well, I don't know, 4 months or so. So let's see how she is doing, just to say hi, and then I'll be on my way. Hi, Linny.
Hi, Sumi. Surprise.
Surprise, surprise. How are you doing?
I'm doing. I heard somebody ringing the bell, you know, because of corona, we are not having anybody inside the home. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's
so
okay.
you found the way to come in,
I came through the other way.
Yeah, it's a sunny day. I thought I was clipping some roses.
Yeah.
And I love the shears.
Come on now. Come on now. We want to show you. This is our most requested video from our viewers.
Yeah,
I'll just see your garden.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you. Let me just come down.
Okay.
The sun is down now.
Yes. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
So far, so good?
So far, so good.
Fist bump?
No. 6 feet. No, Sumi.
So this is how we're going to be doing our corona
meeting
time.
Months,
so many months. It's been unreal. Have you visited any of our friends in the area?
Not really. Some of them came here, you know, in the backyard.
Yeah.
Then we just stay apart and talk. That's all.
That's good. Well, this is actually most requested video by our viewers. They want to see your garden, and they also want to see your vegetable garden too. So I thought I'll give you a surprise as well. So now we are entering into your vegetable garden.
So this one, like, I haven't really organized it, but I get vegetables. Okay. So this is the organic plant mix we put, and Francis made all the boxes.
So why do you have to make a vegetable bed to garden?
So it's very easy to plant year after year.
Oh, okay.
So you can just mix the soil or mix some, you know, I'll show you my compost. From the compost, you just put some compost here, mix it every year, and it's very easy to control the weeds, because if it's on the floor, the weeds will come and, you know, over it.
Okay.
So very less weeds. Then what I did
What do you have in here, in this bed?
I can show you. Do you know this one, collard greens?
Collard greens.
And you can use, all these are collard greens.
We had shared one of our most recent recipe with, I had mixed it with cabbage and carrot. It was really good.
Do you like to have some collard green wraps?
Yeah.
If you have time, I could make it for you.
Let's try.
And you know, I put potatoes. Let's see if there's any potato, if you guys want to look at it. Let's pick one. See?
Whoa.
See, this is how potatoes grows. You know, you just, even you store-bought potato, you cut it and put it there, it will grow. Or you can buy seed potato from like Home Depot, Fred May, just plant it, and this is so easy to grow. And even if you're so bad in growing stuff, you put potato, it will grow. You know, usually I cut the potatoes like
in half,
then put it in the kitchen counter overnight. The next day morning I then it
starts sprouting.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is like, you know, some cilantro seeds. I had some cilantros last year, so I kept some seeds from it. So I put the seeds here and there, so I can just pick cilantro.
Very nice.
You know.
Okay.
And this one, you know, some of my friend gave me the. Remember, we used the root for making the Chinese.
Yeah,
Thai
galangal.
soup. It's similar to galangal. It's like a ginger kind of root. So this is growing well here.
Very good.
So whenever I need it.
Okay. So when do you know that it is time to take it?
It's usually, you know, they pick it up in the fall. So maybe next month I'll start picking it up.
Okay.
And this is a beans, climbing beans. I think it's called the scarlet beans, and it makes red flowers. It's very beautiful flower. And the beans also you can use, and the flower also very nice. And this one, you know, all these
bamboo shoots.
One of my friend, he had lots of it, and he gave it to me. Thank you, Rabin. Rabin gave me this.
Very nice.
This one, kale.
Kale.
I have different, and this is potato. If you want, I can pick one.
There's potato underneath. Is that onion?
Onions.
Onions.
See, for you, I'll pick one.
White onion. Right?
Yeah, a few more, like 3-4 weeks, it will grow bigger.
Very good.
But this one, you know, I'll use it.
Yeah.
So that's a snow piece. So it's just climbing. So pick some, and you know, I had some wood cutting, you know, the pieces.
Old branches.
Yeah, so it can climb there.
Okay.
And this is like a lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
We use for like Thai cooking, make tea. I love lemongrass for cooking. This is chives. So you can use it for like any wraps or when you fry fish, chicken, put some.
Right.
This is like a beetroot plant. So it's growing. So in a month we'll have beetroot. And here chard. It comes in different colors.
Okay. So this is the
This
rainbow.
is a red one.
Rainbow chard?
The other one is different color there. And these are all different kinds of tomatoes. Like the steak tomato, cherry
curly?
tomato. Yeah.
Curly kale?
Curly kale. അതിന്റെ തൈ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണം തരാം ഒരു ചട്ടി കൊണ്ട് വെച്ചാലും ഉണ്ടാവുക
ആണോ ഞാൻ ഓഫർ
ഭയങ്കര
എടുത്തു
easy to grow.
ആ ഓഫർ ഞാൻ എടുത്തു
This is spinach. I put seeds in the spring. So I already picked so much spinach. So spinach, this plant is good until it has the seeds.
Okay.
So most of the spinach I got, what I did was put some more seeds there.
So can you use the same seeds from this for
yes,
next?
yes,
Okay.
yes. So don't think that I'm like very organized gardener, but I have everything little bit.
Whatever you need for your kitchen is from available.
This is like curly kale.
Curly kale.
And for me, like for salad, this is my favorite. This is kind of when you cut it, it's very dry.
Right.
And it goes well with balsamic vinegar or honey,
Olive oil.
Olive oil. It makes very good salad. So some lettuce. So I mix all of this, little bit of lettuce, little bit of spinach. This is enough for our family.
It's
and
beautiful.
See, this is chard. Chard is one of my favorite plants, because it's very
I can
colorful.
tell there's lots of varieties. And
Yeah.
is that parsley?
No, that is carrot. If you want, we can pull out one carrot.
No,
and
no, no,
see.
no, no. It's not in time yet.
No, I can show you one. Let's see. And this is all different kind of tomatoes. So once I pull out the beetroot, all the tomatoes will get more light and So I put everything mixed.
Minimal.
Once this is done, the tomatoes will have enough light and everything. So this is
Pumpkin or squash?
no, this
Zucchini.
is zucchini. See how plenty of zucchinis are
There's
growing
lots
there.
of zucchinis in here.
Yep. And this one, can you tell me what it is?
It's not fennel, is it?
It is asparagus.
Oh,
So
I didn't know that's how asparagus.
yeah, asparagus. If you don't pick the asparagus,
The shoot?
it makes the leaves.
Oh.
So I picked enough shoot, and I have to keep few without picking so that the plant will grow.
Okay.
So this is we got a lot of asparagus this year.
So
And-
where's the seed of this?
Probably it's making seed here, but
Oh.
whatever the asparagus you use is the first shoot. If you don't pick the asparagus, it makes flowers.
Okay.
And this is another like a cucumber. It's a yellow one, zucchini kind of. Squash, yeah.
Okay.
And this is tomato.
Uh-huh.
And the thing with tomato is you have to plant two,
Oh,
because if you
you need
don't
a
have two,
mate? Okay.
it won't make fruit.
Even in plants also, huh?
Yes. This is ground cherry. It has pineapple flavor.
Oh.
So by the fall, see it has seeds in it.
Yeah.
It will ripen and the outer cover will become brown.
Oh.
Then you pick and eat.
Oh.
And do you know what this is?
Of course. Artichokes.
Artichoke. But I wanted you to see the artichoke flower.
Oh.
Once it blooms, it's so pretty, like purple.
Wow.
And if you like to eat artichoke when it's young, pick it up and get the heart.
Uh-huh.
But I like to see the blooms too. It's like it is like
Big
purple
bulb.
in color when it blooms. And this is oregano. See, the honeybees they like it.
Yeah.
So we have honeybees here. So whenever it blooms, it's full of honeybees.
Wow.
And this is green peas.
Uh-huh.
I can show you around. This is beetroot. You know how I didn't know when to pick it up. So what I do is I just dig it and
You
see.
pick a hole in it.
No, see how big it is.
Yes. Wow.
See.
We can make curry with that leaf too, right?
Yes. See this one. See, if you want, we can pick one.
Wow.
See.
Yeah.
But if you keep it for few more days,
Uh-huh.
it will grow much bigger.
Wow.
This is I just picked it just. So you can use the whole thing.
Yes, beautiful.
And this is like a pumpkin, the Indian pumpkin.
Indian pumpkin.
I planted it with the chilies. There we put a seed, but this will grow.
Okay.
And it will grow.
You surely have a green thumb, so definitely whatever you touch will have some.
And this is one of my favorite kales, you know, the
Yes,
curly kale.
the
I
curly
put it
kale.
here and there.
Yes.
It's there. So this is a dill plant.
Mm.
So I use a lot of the leaves, you know, or some people use the root. I use it like with making soup or any non-veg. And this is like the somp plant. So it has a flavor of somp. You know, if you take a piece and eat it,
You'll know.
it has a nice somp flavor. And here I have some, this is a rhubarb. Rhubarb is like they use the root. If you want, you know, I can pick one. And this one, you know, has the taste of like a tamarind. You put a little bit in the pickles.
Or in the fish curry?
Fish curry. It
We showed them in our one of the pickles that we made, right?
Yeah, with the gooseberry.
Gooseberry.
Yes.
So that's really good tip.
You can hold on to it. And these are all like bush beans. And these carrots are not ready yet. See this one? All the green peas. The green peas, you know, it keeps on coming all year long. And this is another kind of tomato. So this is all strawberries.
Strawberries and mint.
Mint.
So
And
this
mint,
is
you know,
actually fennel, right?
Yes,
the
fennel,
nice
yeah.
strong flavor of fennel.
This is rosemary. And
What do you, isn't that Italian spice?
Yeah, I'm not sure it's Italian, but I use it like in grilling or frying chicken. It gives a very
Especially
good
for grilling steak and
Yes,
stuff. This
yes.
is something
Yeah,
that
yeah.
definitely you gotta use.
Our son Alex loves to use this one. And it grows plenty here.
Yes, and I like the color flower.
Yeah,
of
the
it.
flowers are purple and the bees, like they love the flowers.
All right, so you just saw Linny's vegetable garden and her flower garden. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So many had lots of varieties of questions. How do you prune them? Do you have help? How do you manage everything on your own? What kind of varieties do you have? The pictures that you've been sharing online has gone viral. Lots of people want to know, where do you get these kind of stuff? Especially the hibiscus was the highlight that everybody was asking for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos like so on Curry TV. And I want to thank you, Linny, for sharing her tips and tricks with us. So you definitely have a green thumb. Touch wood. May that go as strong as always. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Sumi. All you need is a little bit of land, a little bit of passion, and a little bit of sunlight.
But you also have to have the heart to do it.
Yes.
So if you think you can, definitely you can. So that's the thing. Don't be shy. Get out there. Get your hands dirty. Get your fingers in the mud. Play with the mud. Let them know you. Most of the days, tell me the honesty. Honest. After you come back home from work, don't you get in here, muddle around with the
at least 2-3 times a week, maybe an hour.
Wow. So that's
But
a great
thing
exercise
is,
too.
You have to do it on time.
Okay.
Like, you know, beetroot, you have to plant like early spring, like end of February or March, first week. If you put the seeds, it will grow like that.
Okay.
Chard, do it early. But tomatoes, beans, wait for Mother's Day.
Okay.
That's a, you know,
Perfect
plant
time.
it on that Mother's Day weekend, you're good.
Okay.
Cutting the roses, President's Day, February. So then you know, in the fall, like Labor Day comes, you can start chopping and making.
So it's actually Labor Day. That day is actually for you to do your labor, so that you can get the full output.
And Independence Day, just don't do anything on that weekend. Just sit back and enjoy.
Enjoy the colors, right?
Yeah. And
Just
tomorrow
like
is
the flowers.
Independence Day.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Just like the fireworks. So enjoy
Yes.
those. We hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos like so on Curry TV.
Thank you.